Every home has one of these kind of areas where you got your modem, you got your router or mesh system, got your network attached storage NAS, and various types of bridges for a variety of different smart home devices. Well, we're going to show you how you can get rid of this mess and make it look prim and proper by creating corner shelves to mount all of these different devices. Let's get started. So here's the shelf that I built. It's just from leftover plywood that I had and some 2x4s that I ripped to the side. Did a 45-degree angle over here. Now in the back it gets interesting. This looks like a really bad job, but it's actually, I cut the corner off and then also put this little gap in here. I'm gonna run some wires through there. So I should be able to put this in the corner and have some room to run the wires. I got 2 of these because I don't think I can get all this on one. So I'm gonna go ahead and install them. Okay, here's the shelves installed. I also made some room so that cords can come through. So I cut the nice little hole over there. Now I just got to install all the products back in, which means I got to drop this Wi-Fi, which my Hawaiian music's gonna go away. That's okay. I'll get it set up and then do a nice organization job of all these cables. Check out this epic power bar job I just did here. Now, because some of these plugs, they don't go nicely beside each other. So even though I might have 5, I probably won't be able to get them all. So what I did was attached another power bar to this power bar, and they're mounted, so it's not gonna move. And also the cords, I stapled them using a little tool I have. Where is it? There it is. I'll show you guys. This is a cool little stapler. And so it's good for stapling cables. And you can get these in different sizes. So that's what I used over here. So now I got a nice clean setup. Now I just got to run the wires, disconnect the internet, and move the modem and the router on the top. And then all the other stuff connected to it on the bottom. Okay, and here are the shelves installed. You can see I left some room so that I can run some cables up through. And then what I'm gonna do is get some quick ties, organize all these wires perfectly, put a cord hider right down the middle so it just all goes down. Make it as clean as possible because I hate cords, exposed wires. I'm gonna have to clean all this up. Okay, and let's go ahead and take a look at the final result. Everything's been hidden. The cords are all tucked away in the back, so it looks nice and clean.